started? Okay. Good evening, team. So here at Nichnai campsite, today we have done a green sweep after reaching the campsite, and you can see the amount of waste that we have collected within the campsite only. A lot of boulders around, and people have hidden this waste around inside these boulders only. So I would like to also know from the trekkers what this made you feel, right? You have come to see the beauty of these mountains, but the hidden truth is that we have a lot of these things at the campsites and all. So if anyone would like to share about this experience of getting this thing, because not every group of trekkers get to experience this, and unfortunately or fortunately you were a part of this experience, and so would like to hear from.
So many times in news it comes that they have collected 50 tons of waste from mountain. So I used to think, how can 50 tons of waste can there be on the mountains? But now within half an hour, if we can collect this much just around us, it can be 500 tons now, I feel. So we have to look into this aspect. Everyone has to do it. It has to be a social awareness. Not one organization can do it, but we have to start it somewhere. It was a start for me as such. And whoever has collected will at least not do it. That was the best learning, I think.
Anyone else wants to share
So,
something?
Walter, one thought. I think the only way this is successful is if we pass it on to the next generation.
Yes.
So we have to be strict as parents to be
Correct.
with our kids, and they have to learn this. It will take a generation to change this. It is
Start
not only
from
the
home,
mountains; it is in all sightseeing spots across the country.
true.
Only in India, overseas, it is not like this typically. There are exceptions, of course.
Correct.
So I think the awareness each of one can take. खुद तो नहीं करेंगे.
Yes.
I think that
But
hopefully not. Hopefully we won't take shortcuts, but I think each one of us should take this back to their family,
Very
friends, and only then it gets. Otherwise, we are just a dip in the pool.
Correct.
That's really what I want. Take it back home, not the trash, the thought.
Yes. Yes.
Make sure that somewhere put this video also. The next generation has to do it. Then the Himalayas will be such a beautiful place, and not only this, any other tourist spots
Correct.
across the country.
Sir, I think that's really true. The practice of following all of these things, we don't want it just to practice in the mountains, but for you to take back these practices back to your city, right? Because the impact of not following these things, it's more real and visible in our own city, right? So congratulations, everyone. You have done a great job.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
I would like to add something.
Yes,
I
yes,
think
sure.
what we have collected today is just the tip of the iceberg. If all of us, like whosoever is camping here, will start and do all of this, then it will be a huge mountain of trash. And I think, like the way we charity starts at home, so we should start with our home and just try to create awareness. And these are being because these are mountains, we are very we want to be very close to nature and take care of nature, but I think we should follow this everywhere, not just mountains
Yes.
or tourist places, but everywhere.
Correct. Anybody else? Yeah.
For me, this is the both very sad exercise and the very. I'm glad to do this one. The sad is what from this angle, like as a human being, what we are doing with our mountains. And from the glad perspective, I'm very much glad like the initiative which India Hikes is taking, and we all the partner into this initiative. Yes. And do this very small step, and let's see how much of us will take it back to the cities and take it in our day-to-day life.
So 3 years for India Hikes.
Yes.
Thank you, everyone.
And for Walter.
And cheers for all the team which was like very indulgent